Welcome! In this quick and easy guide, I'll show you how to mute annoying or unnecessary email threads right from the Gmail app on your phone. If your inbox is constantly buzzing with messages that you don't really need to see every second, this feature can help you keep things quiet and clutter-free. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your phone. Make sure you're signed into the account you want to manage. Once you're inside the app, scroll through your inbox or use the search bar to find the email conversation you want to mute. This is especially handy for long group email chains that keep popping up with replies you don't need. When you found the email, long press it. You'll notice that the message becomes highlighted, and a set of icons will appear at the top of the screen. Next, look for the 3 vertical dots, usually in the upper right corner, and tap on them. This will open a small menu with several options to choose from. From that menu, select Mute. And that's it. You've successfully muted that conversation. Gmail will now automatically send any future replies in that thread straight to your archive instead of your inbox, keeping things quiet while still saving the messages in case you want to check them later. If you ever change your mind and want to unmute it, simply open that same email chain, tap the 3 dots again, and choose Unmute. The conversation will go back to behaving like any other email in your inbox. Muting emails is a simple but powerful trick to help you take control of your inbox, reduce distractions, and focus on the messages that really matter. So the next time you're overwhelmed by constant notifications, remember this quick step. It might just save you a lot of time and frustration. Thanks for watching.